We are back again with another video. Oh my gosh, I am super excited for this one, y'all. I've been talking about them. I done showed y'all sneak peeks of them. Not even sneak peeks. I done showed y'all the full headlights. But boys, these bitches heavy. Nah, fuck it. We finally got them. Oh my gosh. Frosted honeycomb. YouTube, what's good? We is back again with another video. Man, I got the lights on in here. I got the lights on up there because it ain't enough lighting in here. But we on our way. Got my girlfriend behind me. We on the way to go drop off my car to get the RGB halo headlights installed and this honeycomb carbon front grille overlay. I would install it myself, but I've been working a lot between both jobs and I just don't got time. So my buddy Pat is gonna help me out and we gonna get it done. He's gonna get it done. Shout out to him. But we on the way there. So yeah, man, a lot more content coming out, a lot more drops coming out. Like, it's gonna be fun. Got about a 30-minute drive. Hey, we gonna get there. Man, bro, I wish I could play fucking copyrighted music. I mean, I could, I just, you know, sometimes I get flagged, some shit can happen. But I'm in here, you can't, bro, I'm in here getting busy on that G Herbo. I'm not even gonna lie. You see it. You see it. Say what's good.
What's the deal? Y'all ass better not be driving, nigga.
I'm wildin'.
Hey, hard head make for a soft ass, cuz.
You said what?
A hard head makes a soft ass, bro.
What you doing?
Shit, I was seeing.
Look at that fucking G. We're back at fucking Patt's. I told y'all we was on the way there.
Get the lights on.
Fucking fin. I got the fucking lights. You said turn them on?
Yeah, turn them on.
Oh yeah, I'm gonna shut this off. It's been long enough.
Yeah, dude, we put coils on it. It's fucking slammed.
Oh my god. This thing is clean, bro. Holy shit, them wheels are fucking fire. Nice. Ew. This is probably the hardest G.
Dude, this is my girlfriend's car, right?
Yeah.
Dude, yeah.
Pat, I can't wait. I can't wait till we get your shit going.
It's fucking clean, too. It's
Holy
mint, bro. It's
shit.
only got $100K on it.
Fuck.
Dude, it's bad.
God damn, bro. This fucking paint is mint. Fucking Pat out here, boys. Yo, this is a true Infiniti lover right here. And I fucks with it, man. It's not a lot of clean G's in Pittsburgh, but this is one of them. This is one of them for sure. Oh, shit.
She got new headlights, too.
Them headlights are clean as fuck.
Or come on. This way.
Oh shit. Oh. Go ahead. Oh fuck. right there.
Everyone's still awake. I'll give it a quick rev.
He's waiting for the RPMs to drop. He's funny as fuck.
You ready? Yeah, ain't that some shit.
Put that red one on again.
The red one?
Yeah.
Oh yeah, Tetris. I'll find it real quick. There's so many. Scroll past. Oh, yeah, there it is.
Yo. What the fuck?
Yeah, I did the wiring real clean too. Like,
Holy fuck.
yeah, look at how many different modes there are. You can make your own settings, but like these pre-made ones are cool. Like this Tetris one is tough as fuck.
Ew. Oh my
Oh,
god.
this one's cool as fuck.
We got the headlights installed. I apologize for such the late upload. I've been so busy. It was like 13 degrees when we went to go pick the car up that night. It was freezing. I did get a couple videos on like my actual iPhone, so I'll edit those in this clip. And it's been like a week, so I've definitely had time to make a couple reels. I'll also edit into this clip. But yeah, man, we got the headlights, the retrofits. They're on and they're in there. But we did not install the Demon Eyes module. Now the Demon Eyes, or that, is in that lens right there, and it's supposed to light up. We didn't install that module, so honestly you'll probably get that video within a couple of days of me dropping this video. But yeah, so I'm actually on my way to go and do that. So after I drop this video, you guys will definitely get that video of my boy Pat. He's also getting a little maintenance wash on the car because it's ceramic coated. But yeah, man, there she is. And yeah, so we are going to go ahead and do that. Peace.